Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.4, Problem 27. This is Section 3.4, Problem 27. It says a hand-woven blanket is 2.2 meters long and 1.6 meters wide. What is the surface area of this blanket? So if we're looking for area equals length times width. So the area equals the length, 2.2 meters, times the width is 1.6 meters. So to multiply 2.2 times 1.6, I find it easier to write it vertically. So 2.2 times 1.6. So if I multiply again, start off as just 22 times 16. Get the answer for that, then put the decimal where it goes. 6 times 2 is 12. Write the 2, carry the 1. 6 times 2 again is 12 again, but this time you add the 1 that you carried. So 12 plus 1 more is 13. Now move down a row, put in a 0 to hold your position. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 2 again is another 2. And then I can add those results together. 2 plus 0 is 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. 1 plus 2 is 3. So with no decimals, my answer would be 352. But the problem has decimals in it. So go to the question. How many places after the decimal in the question? Altogether, there's 2 places after the decimal, 1, 2. So in the answer, there should be 2 places, 1, 2, after the decimal. So it's 3.52. Now, again, this is an application problem. It involves units of measure, so I can't just state a number. I have to give the number with the correct units of measure. So my answer is 3.52. It's not 3.52 meters because its area is 3.52 square meters, which you can write out like this, or a pretty standard abbreviation. A lot of people write it that way. Either way, 3.52 square meters.